Did you know that there are stocks that have outperformed the almighty Bitcoin? Yes, Bitcoin, the digital currency that has turned ordinary people into millionaires with gains of more than 1,300% in the last 5 years. It seems impossible, right? After all, Bitcoin is the star investment of recent years, the one that dominates headlines and causes a furor among investors around the world. How is this possible? While everyone was looking at Bitcoin on the stock market, companies with a solid, innovative model and a long-term vision shot up like rockets, generating incredible returns and leaving even the most impressive cryptocurrency figures behind. These 10 companies are the big winners of the market. Those that, far from the hype and volatility of cryptocurrencies, have shown that patience and smart strategies can generate historic returns. You will be surprised to know that some are traditional companies that have known how to adapt to the new times, while others are technological giants that continue to grow. So stay tuned to the end, because in this video, you'll not only find out what these 10 stocks are, but how they did it and why they can still be an excellent investment opportunity. If you thought Bitcoin was the only key to financial freedom, get ready to discover other keys. Let's get started. Number 10, SBA Communications. This is one of the most prominent companies in the telecommunications infrastructure sector. With an impressive return of 5,630% over the past 20 years, this company has been able to capitalize on the explosive growth of wireless networks and the increasing demand for mobile data. Founded in 1989, SBA Communications has built and managed telecommunications towers in the United States and other countries, offering an essential service to mobile operators. The key to its success has been its ability to anticipate technological trends, such as the arrival of 4G and the current deployment of 5G, reaching solid agreements with giants of the sector, such as AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. If someone had invested $10,000 in SBA Communications 2 decades ago, that investment would be worth approximately $573,000 today, reflecting the impact of telecommunications infrastructure on today's digital economy. As the need for connectivity continues to increase, SBA Communications will continue to be a key pillar in supporting the global demand for mobile internet and emerging technologies, securing its position as one of the biggest market winners of the past 2 decades. Number 9, Copart Inc. In 9th place, we find a company that has redefined the auto auction industry and has achieved an impressive return of 5,668% over the past 20 years. What started as a traditional auction business has transformed into a digital giant, connecting car buyers and sellers around the world. The key to Copart's success lies in its innovative business model and its focus on digitalization. Through its online platform, the company facilitates auctions of used or damaged cars, becoming a strategic ally for insurers, dealers, and individuals. But it was technological change that allowed them to expand globally and increase their customer base exponentially. With the growing demand for used cars and the digitalization of commerce, Copart has been able to adapt to market changes, securing its place among the fastest-growing companies of the last 20 years. Issue 8, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals Inc. Now let's move on to a biotech company that has achieved an astonishing 6,168% return over the past 20 years. Regeneron is a perfect example of how innovation in medicine and the development of cutting-edge treatments can create as much impact on healthcare as it does on the stock market. The key to Regeneron's success is its commitment to research and development. The company has created breakthrough drugs to treat serious diseases, including macular degeneration, cancer, and various inflammatory diseases. Its therapies, such as Eylea and Dupixent, have not only improved the quality of life of millions of people, but have also been fundamental pillars of their financial growth. An investment of just $10,000 in Regeneron Pharmaceuticals 2 decades ago would be worth more than $600,000 today, an impressive return that reflects the success of its commitment to biotechnology and innovation. The company's impact on the healthcare sector remains significant, and with the growing demand for advanced medical treatments, the company will maintain a strong position as a leader in the global pharmaceutical industry. If you found today's video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next content. Now let's continue. Number 7, Old Dominion Freight Line. In seventh place, we find a freight forwarding company that has achieved a spectacular return of 9,476% over the last 20 years. How did they accomplish such a feat? The key has been their unwavering focus on logistics efficiency and strategic expansion. Rather than being just another company in the sector, ODFL transformed its transportation network, invested in technology to optimize routes, and offered quality service that placed it as a leader in freight transportation in the United States. In addition, their organizational culture, focused on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction, has been fundamental. Their ability to quickly adapt to market demands and their constant innovation allowed them to stay ahead of the competition. Old Dominion has proven that it's not just tech companies that can dominate the stock market. Its success is a reminder that a commitment to quality and continuous improvement can lead to incredible returns, even in boring industries. Number 6. Netflix. Netflix is a prime example of how disruptive innovation can outperform even popular assets like Bitcoin. Founded in 1997 as a mail-ordered DVD rental service, the company took a radical turn in 2007 by launching its streaming platform, transforming the entertainment industry. Netflix shares have shown spectacular performance, with a growth of 11,878% in the last 2 decades. Netflix's success lies not only in its business model, but in its ability to anticipate and adapt to new trends. The company has bet on original content with successful series such as House of Cards and Stranger Things, which has allowed it to create a loyal subscriber base worldwide. In addition, its focus on personalizing the user experience and its international expansion have been key to its continued growth. As media consumption habits changed, Netflix seized the moment to establish itself as a leader in the sector, facing competition from giants such as Amazon and Disney, but always maintaining its competitive advantage thanks to its long-term vision and constant innovation. Number 5. Booking Holdings. The parent company of booking platforms like Booking.com and Priceline has been one of the most impressive success stories on the stock market over the past 2 decades. During those years, its shares have grown by an astonishing 13,965%. Booking's success is based on its ability to transform the online travel and booking industry. The company not only made it easier for people to book accommodation, but it also revolutionized the industry with a global business model that integrates flights, car rentals, and activities all in one platform. Booking has also managed to stay ahead of the curve by constantly investing in technology, artificial intelligence, and data analytics to improve its platform and optimize the customer experience. Despite increasing competition from giants like Airbnb and Expedia, Booking remains the industry leader, with performance that has exceeded many investors' expectations. Number 4. Intuitive Surgical. This has been one of the most prominent companies in the medical technology sector, with an impressive return of 16,571% over the past 20 years. Its success is mainly due to the innovation it has brought to the field of surgery, with the creation of its Da Vinci system, a robotic platform that allows surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and control. Since its IPO in 2000, Intuitive Surgical has revolutionized surgical medicine, improving patient recovery and reducing risks during operations. This approach has allowed the company to expand its presence in hospitals and clinics around the world, becoming an undisputed leader in the robotic-assisted surgery market. As demand for robotic surgery continues to grow, Intuitive Surgical continues to lead the medical industry, delivering extraordinary returns to its investors. Number 3. NVIDIA. In third place is NVIDIA Corporation, which has been one of the most prominent companies in the world of technology, especially in the semiconductor field. Its performance of 32,835% over the last 20 years reflects the resounding success of its innovation strategy and its dominance in the graphics card and artificial intelligence markets. The key to its success lies in its ability to stay ahead of market trends. In its early years, NVIDIA stood out for its innovative graphics cards, which became the standard for high-performance video games and workstations. However, it was its foray into the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning that really drove its growth. The company has also been able to diversify its revenue with strategic acquisitions, such as the purchase of ARM, and by staying at the forefront of technology in emerging areas such as autonomous driving. With its focus on constant innovation, NVIDIA continues to lead the way in cutting-edge technology. Number 2. Apple. Apple has seen an impressive return of 51,072% over the past 2 decades, establishing itself as one of the most valuable and successful companies in the world. Its growth has been driven by its ability to innovate and transform the technology industry, especially in the field of electronic devices and digital services. The launch of the iPhone in 2007 was a key turning point in Apple's history, revolutionizing the mobile phone industry and establishing the company as a leader in consumer technology. From there, Apple continued to expand its ecosystem with iconic products like the iPad, Apple Watch, and MacBook, as well as services like Apple Music, iCloud, and the App Store, which has enabled a successful diversification of its revenue. Apple has managed to maintain exceptional loyalty among its users, reflected in its impressive customer base and its ability to generate recurring revenue through its services. Over the years, the company has continued to exceed market expectations, reaching a valuation of $3 trillion and an extraordinary performance on the stock market. Number 1. Monster Beverage. And finally, in first place is Monster, with an impressive return of 82,957% over the past 20 years. If you had invested $10,000 in Monster stock, you would have more than $8 million today. This company has achieved extraordinary growth, becoming a giant in the energy drinks industry. Since its IPO in 2002, Monster has experienced a meteoric rise, driven by its ability to capture a significant portion of the global energy drinks market, a sector that has been booming since the beginning of the 21st century. Monster's success is due to its innovative approach to marketing and its ability to connect with younger consumers, who are looking for products that not only offer them energy, but also a lifestyle associated with extreme sports, music, and a high-performance culture. In addition, Monster has expanded its product line, diversifying its offering with sugar-free drinks, limited editions, and collaborations with other brands. This strategy has allowed it to stay ahead and generate an impressive return for its shareholders, consolidating itself as the undisputed leader in its industry. In conclusion, the stocks we have reviewed have shown impressive returns, even outperforming Bitcoin for several years. Companies like Monster, Apple, NVIDIA, and Netflix have capitalized on their innovation and adaptability, generating amazing profits for their shareholders. While Bitcoin has been a popular choice for those seeking high returns quickly, these companies have shown that a strong, consistent growth strategy can be equally or even more profitable in the long run. We could say, then, that these actions highlight the importance of a strategic plan and not relying solely on volatile assets such as cryptocurrencies. Have you invested or are you planning to invest in any of these companies? Tell us in the comments. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell to receive notifications of our next videos. See you later.